Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to block someone on threads. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So threads over a text-based platform to connect with your friends, faves. However, this opportunity to connect comes the drawback of sometimes encountering users who are rude, spammy, or just annoying. Thankfully, social media is one place where you don't have to accept the bad with the good. You can keep your thread experience pleasant by blocking or muting annoying users. So here's in this video, I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, how to open our threads, you can log in into your account. After that, you can just choose on the account or someone that you want to block. Maybe for example, I will search for my followers. For the example, I will try to block this. You can open your profile, your account. Now, you can just tap on the three dots on the up right corner here. You'll find there is an option block. You can just tap on that. This will also block any other account that may have or create in the future. You can unblock them anytime. If you block this account, they won't be able to message you or find you first profile or content on threads on Instagram. And no one will be able to see their replies to your post unless you unblock them. Now you can just tap on block like this. I'm sorry. Like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to block someone on threads. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.